The website that I chose to create my app with is called Seattle Clouds. It's more on the expensive side for somebody who only wants to develop one or two apps. It's more for businesses. The pricing starts at $30 a month, but they have a $100 setup fee. So that's where the pricing kind of gets you. I like this website because it does both Android and Apple apps, and it also has a ton of pre-done templates. I'll just show you a couple of them here. You can go look yourself later. But they've got like newspaper ones, restaurant ones, wedding ones, business like coffee shop ones. They have everything. So the one that I chose to use looked more educational in my opinion. It has a corkboard background and a little clipboard. So I chose to make a quiz that the users can take on adolescent brain development, and this would be used in conjunction with my lesson. I'd have them at the end of the online lesson go and take this quiz and see what their scores are. I only put a couple questions in because I don't want to make a huge app for something that I can't publish because we can't afford it anyway. But this is the start page. This is the adolescent brain development quiz. Right here you can see that the quiz part's highlighted, and these correspond to the tabs that are right here. So tab 2 is the about section, and this is just a little piece of information what the app is actually about. This is a brain development quiz for the functions of the brain for adolescent development. And then there's also a videos page that I made that I put some YouTube videos on adolescent brain development. And then the last page that it has is a email page or a contact page where your users can email or contact you about the app if they have any suggestions or feedback of any kind. So the app actually starts when you click on quiz. It'll be there. When you click on quiz, it takes you to the first question, and you can edit everything on here. It has the question right here, and then the answers are down here. They're just buttons that the users click on. And then when they do that, they can, as soon as they click on the answer, it sends them to a feedback page that you can choose to have. You don't have to have it, but I thought it was a really, really cool idea that they can have feedback for their question as soon as they answer the question. So this is the feedback for my first question, and then I only put 6 questions in here. That's what it preloads you with. And this is the second question and the answers for it, and then it gives you the feedback as well for that. And then third question and feedback, and fourth question and feedback. And then if you look on, oh, wrong page, hold on. If you look on the questions and you click on edit, it gives you a few different options that you can choose from. It gives you transition options, where if you want it to slide, curl, flip, or no transition. And then you write in what you want your question to say, what color you want it to show up as, and then this right here is the clipboard itself. You can change this picture to any of their pictures that they have loaded on here already. You can search for pictures on Google, or you can upload your own file for your picture. This would come in handy for like anything that you needed to relate a picture for. Like with this, I might put a picture of a brain with a highlighted section and ask which section of the brain is this, and then put different answers down here. I also saw the sample that they gave was a picture of a flower, and they asked what type of flower is this, and the answers gave different scientific names for the flower. So it has that. And then if you want this question to go to a feedback page, you don't have to, like I said, it's optional. You can have it to go to none, or you can have it go to any of the feedback pages that you've created. Since this is question 1, I would click that this needs to go to feedback question 1. And then these are your answers right here. They start out as undefined, and then you put what you want in them. And then each one is a different button. And then for the one that is the correct answer, you just click the box and then click save and click done, and do that for each question. And then for the feedback, it has a different editing page that is way more fun, I think. You can put You can change your font style that you want. You can put pictures in, you can put HTML code, you can put web links, you can put a Google map, you can put YouTube videos, you can put sounds or music files, you can put a PayPal account, you can put your own video, you can put shopping cart links. They have all kinds of stuff for the feedback page. And then they also have where you want your ads. For Google, this is normal, common thing. We have a lot of ads. So if you want AdMob, iAd, or if you don't want any ads at all, if you want top banner, bottom banner, and then how you want this page to transition, and then which page you want it to transition to. So from question 1 feedback, I'd want it to go to question 2. So I just click the question 2 and I want it to slide, and click save, and done. It didn't let me preview how the app would work on this site, which is kind of a bummer. I kind of wanted to see, clicking through everything, making sure that everything works before I would publish it. But I did like this website overall. This was the only one that I could find that, even though it was paid, had both the Android and Apple apps that I can make. And it had a ton of templates already done, so I didn't have to really try to come up with pictures and HTML code for everything. It's already done, so you just have to put in your information. So I really like that. If I had the money, I'd definitely use the service, the Seattle Cloud service, to make my apps. Depending on whatever apps I needed to make, this would be a really cool service to use, I think. So hopefully this app was decent enough for you guys. I liked it. I thought it was a good idea. If I had the money again, I'd put it out there so you guys could all see it. But, oh well, I'm poor. Too bad. So sad. That's about it. Thanks.